Welcome to the video tutorials channel of Fusion 360. In this playlist, we are going to talk about plan through the 3 points. In our previous video, we have already discussed all this plan which is about the 3 points plans, and in this video we are going to talk about this. In some cases, we need a plan which is in abnormal condition. For example, if I create a sketch right here, and for this I need a polygon because polygon is the best to select 3 point to make you understand. For example, if I select this and by using extrude command I need to extrude it. Now I got so many points in this polygon, so I can use it 3 points in this. For example, I need to make some sketch between this point and this point right here. So I want to select this point, this point, this point. So now the plane is created by touching its 3 points. If I create this, okay, now we can draw any sketch. For example, I need to draw a rectangle right here. I going to draw, if I draw this rectangle and I need to remove this surface, so that's how I can remove a surface. So this is the use of this plan, or you can also use this plan to sketch or split body or etc etc. So add this playlist to your YouTube library and make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Also comment in the comment box if you find any doubt regarding this software. So hope you like it and thanks for watching.